Photo as you go.
Ito yung pinaka-favorite part ko dito sa Wonderland.
Can we have this in our house? In the garden?
Okay, kunin mo yun, Oh my God, it's so wonderful and Wonderland talaga. Pasok tayo dun, oh. Let's go. Yeah.
Chantel?
Yeah. That's so far.